Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphics hardware in your system that is not supported. There are three possible codes: embedded AMD Radeon graphic, legacy AMD Radeon graphic, and customized AMD Radeon for OEM systems. So here we go. If you use embedded AMD Radeon graphic, you have to install the embedded driver, not the Adrenaline one. So you can access as AMD.com support download drivers and support for processor and graphics page. Here you can click on graphics. Do not use these auto tools, just use this graphics and choose the Radeon embedded and select your product. And here we go. You can click submit, and based on your operating system you can download AMD embedded GPU, not the Adrenaline one. And second is the legacy. If you have Radeon graphic, the old graphics that listed here, this is desktop and this is the mobile and this is for the APU, you have to download the legacy driver. You can click on graphics and choose the legacy graphics and choose the Radeon or the AMD GPU that you have, or the ATI, for example Radeon X series. Submit and click on choose your operating system, and here we go, the legendary Catalyst software set. You can download this. And last is the OEM system. So you can visit the AMD partner at inboard original equipment and system builder configurations of your website in order to obtain the driver. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.